Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Google Map history on computer. For that, we are going to open our web browser and in the search bar, we are going to type Google Maps. Okay, so after logging into our Google, we are going to make sure our Google account is logged in. Once the map opens, you are going to look at the top left corner of the screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. After clicking on that, we are going to scroll down and find the map's history. And this will take you to a new page showing your location and search history. You can choose the option for automatic deletion where your history will be deleted auto, or turn it off if you don't want automatic deletion. Here you can see the both choices and you can choose the one that fits your needs. Select the option that matches your preference. Once you choose, your settings will be saved. And if you don't like this option, you can always customize your options by choosing the time range. Like you can delete your history for today, or you can select a certain range, or you can delete your all-time history. And that's it. Your Google Map history and privacy settings are now under your control. Thanks for watching.